Hello everyone, this is GUPTA from GUPTA Distributors. As you know, recently Vivo has unveiled its latest V29 series, the masterpiece. So, let's unbox it. Now we have unboxed the product, so let's get into the key features. Both the handset has 6.78-inch 3D curved display. Both are very slim, only 7.46 mm. They feel very light on hand and very handy. V29Pro weighs only 188 grams, whereas V29 weighs 186 grams. Now the camera part. Both handset has 50 megapixel AI camera in the front. In the rear, both has 50 megapixel OIS optical image stabilization camera and 8 megapixel wide angle camera, but the V29Pro has 12 megapixel portrait and the V29 has 2 megapixel bokeh camera. Both has the smart aura light. Let's see it. About the variant and color. V29Pro is available in two colors, space black and Himalayan blue, whereas V29 is available in three colors, Himalayan blue, space black and majestic red. About the variant, V29Pro is available in 8-256, 12-256, whereas V29 is available in 8-128 and 12-256. Pre-booking offers includes up to 10% cashback, long-term no-cost EMI, Bluetooth speaker worth ₹2,999 at only $499. Thank you.